Meaning of humped.
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 Humped. The word humped is typically used to describe an object or surface that has a noticeable bump or curve. It can also refer to the way a person or animal walks with their back slightly arched, resembling a hump. The term is often used in a derogatory manner to describe someone as unattractive or awkward in appearance. However, in some cultural contexts, such as in parts of Africa and Asia, humped animals like camels are highly valued for their ability to survive in harsh climates. Overall, the meaning of humped depends on its specific usage and context.